Quickoffice allows you to use a Wi-Fi network to transfer documents between your iPhone or iPod Touch and a desktop computer running Mac OS X, Microsoft Windows XP, or Microsoft Windows Vista. Files are transferred in one of two ways, either by mounting your mobile device as a drive on your computer or by using the web browser on your computer to communicate with your device. File transfers makes use of the Wi-Fi networking capabilities of the iPhone and iPod Touch to exchange files with a desktop computer. When your mobile device is mounted as a drive, you move and copy files to and from the device using the Finder on Mac OS X or the File Explorer on Microsoft Windows platforms. When using a web browser, Quickoffice presents a friendly web interface which allows you to browse the contents of your device and exchange files with the computer. Before you can use file transfers, you will need to connect both your mobile device and your computer to the same Wi-Fi network. The current Wi-Fi network settings for the iPhone and iPod Touch may be found in the Settings application on your device. For instructions and troubleshooting tips, please refer to the documentation that came with your device. Please also refer to the documentation provided with your computer's operating system for help in connecting your computer to a Wi-Fi network. You can access the file transfer settings from two locations within Quickoffice. The first location is the Application Settings panel, accessible from the main screen through the Wi-Fi icon. The second location is from any file directory listing screen, available using the Wi-Fi button on the right side of the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Under the File Transfer settings, the master switch allows you to enable and disable the file transfer functionality altogether by turning file transfers either on or off. When transfers are enabled, you will see status information about the file transfer connection beneath the master switch. When you are connected, the internet address that you can use to connect your mobile device to your computer will be presented here. When file transfers are enabled, Quickoffice also offers authentication settings. Authentication can be enabled or disabled. When disabled, any computer that attempts to make a connection to your device may do so without requiring the user of that computer to enter a username and password. Please note that if you disable authentication, other computers on your local network will be able to connect to your mobile device and access the files it contains. When authentication is enabled, Quickoffice will display fields for setting a username and password. Once these are set, any computer that tries to connect to Quickoffice will ask the user to provide that username and password before allowing the computer to access the files on your device. If you would like to prevent your device from going to sleep during the transfer of files, you can access the Disable Sleep setting from the Settings icon on the Quickoffice home screen. Please note that leaving Disable Sleep turned on for long periods of time will reduce your battery charge.